Hello and good morning, my dear children. Welcome back. How are you all? I hope you all are well. I am your Khushbu ma'am. So children, in our last session, we did a recap of fruits and vegetables. So today, let's start our session with a song. Look children, what is this? These are vegetables puppet. 5 little veggies jumping on the bed. One fell down and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and a doctor said, "No more veggies jumping on the bed." 4 little veggies jumping on the bed. One fell down and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and a doctor said, "No more veggies jumping on the bed." 3 little veggies jumping on the bed. One fell down and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and a doctor said, "No more veggies jumping on the bed." 2 little veggies jumping on the bed. One fell down and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and a doctor said, "No more veggies jumping on the bed." 1 little veggies jumping on the bed. One fell down and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and a doctor said, "No more veggies jumping on the bed." Children, I hope you enjoyed this song. Recap of vegetables. This is a potato. It is brown in color. This is a brinjal. Brinjal is a king of the vegetables. This is a cucumber. It is green in color. This is a pumpkin. This is a carrot. This is a cauliflower. This is a capsicum. This is a tomato. It is red in color. These are peas. This is an onion. Recap of fruits. This is an apple. It is red in color. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. This is a pineapple. This is an orange. These are grapes. This is a watermelon. These are cherries. This is a mango. Mango is a king of the fruits. This is a strawberry. These are bananas. It is yellow in color. Children, let's go to world of story. The world of the story is so beautiful. So today, ma'am will tell you an interesting story of fruits and vegetables. Look children, sweet and juicy fruits are there in the farm. कितने मजेदार juicy और sweet fruits है, देखो तो जरा. Let us listen to the story about fruits and vegetables. Look, what is going on in the vegetable farm? All the vegetables are fighting among one another. Let's ask them, why are they fighting? बच्चों, झगड़ा करना अच्छी बात है? नहीं. तो आप भी वेजिटेबल्स को बोलो, झगड़ा करना अच्छी बात नहीं है. Hi friends, Say hi, vegetables. Why are you all fighting? Vegetable said, we want to elect a vegetable king, and so we all are fighting. वो क्यों फाइटिंग कर रहे थे पता है बच्चों? क्योंकि ये सब अपना राजा चुनना चाहते थे, इसलिए वो फाइटिंग कर रहे थे. Look children, there was a scarecrow in the farm who told them not to fight and advised them to find the solution. तो बच्चों, स्कैरक्रो ने क्या बोला? हमें झगड़ना नहीं चाहिए, हमें उसका रास्ता निकालना चाहिए. तो फिर वेजिटेबल ने क्या किया? ध्यान से सुनना बच्चों. Vegetables went to the fruit farm and invite the king of the fruit. Look children, what is this? Mango. Who is eligible to become the vegetable king? Mango went to the vegetable farm. It observed all the vegetables. उसने क्या किया? अच्छे से सब vegetables को देखा. And decided that brinjal is eligible to be the king of all vegetables because it gives lots of iron and it also has crown on the top of it. All the vegetables clapped for brinjal and brinjal thanked them. सबने क्या किया? सब वेजिटेबल्स ने ब्रिंजल के लिए क्लैप किया और ब्रिंजल ने उन सबको थैंक यू बोला. तो बच्चों, मजा आया ना कहानी सुनने में? Children, let's sing one more song. Red, red tomatoes, red, red tomatoes, long, long beans, long, long beans, green, green capsicum, green, green capsicum, sweet, sweet peas, sweet, sweet peas. Bitter God is very bitter, bitter God is very bitter, chilies are so hot, chilies are so hot. Brinjal has a crown, brinjal has a crown, but potato has no toes, but potato has no toes. We are all vegetables, we are all vegetables, fresh from the farm, fresh from the farm. Make a soup, make a salad, make a soup, make a salad. We never do any harm, we never do any harm. Children, let's see the solution of the worksheet. It's time for solution. Children, in this worksheet, you have to color the circle green for each vegetable and red for each fruit. ये वर्कशीट में आपको दिए हुए फल के सामने वाले सर्कल में रेड कलर करना है और सब्जी के सामने दिए हुए सर्कल में ग्रीन कलर करना है. Children, see the worksheet. Look at the first picture. What is this? Yes, these are grapes. So, grapes are fruit or vegetable? Correct. Grapes are fruit. So, we will fill the red color in this circle. Next picture of bananas. So, bananas are fruit or vegetable? Good job. Bananas are fruit. So, we will fill the red color in this circle. Next picture of Potatoes. So, potatoes are fruit or vegetable? Yes, potatoes are vegetable. So, we will fill the green color in this circle. Next picture of pineapple. So, tell me children, pineapple is fruit or vegetable? Correct. Pineapple is a fruit. So, we will fill the red color in this circle. Next picture of an orange. So, tell me children, an orange is fruit or vegetable? Good job. An orange is fruit. So, we will fill the red color in this circle. Next picture of lady's finger. So tell me children, lady's finger are vegetable or fruit? Good job! Lady's finger are vegetable. So we will fill the green color in this circle. Next picture of an apple. So tell me children, an apple is fruit or vegetable? Yes, correct. An apple is fruit. So, we will fill the red color in this circle. Children, look at next picture. Yes, king of the vegetables. So, tell me children, what is this? Yes, these are brinjals. So, brinjals are vegetable or fruit? Yes, brinjal are vegetable. So, we will fill the green color in this circle. Next picture of cucumbers. So, cucumbers are fruit or vegetable? Correct. Cucumbers are vegetable. So, we will fill the green color in this circle. Children, look at the last picture. Tomato. So tell me children, tomato is fruit or vegetable? Yes, good job. Tomato is vegetable. So we will fill the green color in this circle. Children, I hope you enjoyed this video and learned through it. Bye-bye. Have a nice day.